Person that this message is for, your spiritual journey started between 3 and 6 years ago. And I need you to listen up. Today I was in the shower and I got this overwhelming sense and feeling of something on the horizon. The person that I'm talking to also has been experiencing a lot of moments where you're like wishing, praying, hoping for something bigger, better beyond what you have. And then you have these moments where you're like jolted back to like reality and you're like, oh, wait, well, this is what I'm looking at or this is what I'm seeing. 1996, the year 1996 was very significant for you. In addition to that, the snowstorm that just passed, either you were completely snowed in or you had some kind of experience, profound divine experience, dreams, something. The day before, 2 days before the snowstorm, the day of the snowstorm, or the day after the snowstorm that just hit the East Coast. The snowstorm I'm talking about was here that weekend of January 21st, 22nd, 23rd, like around that time. There is something so massive that's coming through right now, beloved. This is going to be a 3-part video, I'm telling you right now. In this video, I'm going to give you the channel message that Spirit gave me when I was in the shower. In part 2, I am going to take the collective through what to do to prepare for what's coming. In part 3, I'm going to close it up and give the last bit of what ancestors are saying in relation to what's coming. And help those, like I have like a couple of like PDFs or whatever that Spirit is telling me to do for the collective that will be free, that I'll be able to give to y'all to help you in the work that you're getting ready to have to do. Anyway, there is something that is so vast, so overwhelming, so abundantly overflowing energy and like crashing in at one time. You need to get prepared. You have a divine purpose you're supposed to be living. You know that you're supposed to be living it, yet it seems like there's always something coming and getting in the way right when you're at the precipice of getting ready to walk fully into who and what you're supposed to be. I'm going to need you to ground yourself today. And I'm going to need you over the next 3 days. I'm telling you right now, trials and tribulations are getting ready to come. They are only coming as a distraction for what the hell is on the other side of the trial and tribulation. The trial and tribulation could come by way of you getting news that was unwanted at work. And I want you to save this video, like save this and then come back and tell me. Because I'm telling you, the person that this message is for, you're going to see something in the next 3 days. Like Spirit already said that very clearly. But I'm going to tell you what to do to help you be able to make the adjustment so that the thing that you're going to experience over the next 3 days is not so devastating that it knocks you completely off course and you miss your blessing that's on the other side of this. Okay. So over the next 3 days, you're going to make your preparations. Okay, sorry about that. So what I was saying was the trials and tribulations could come by way of some unwanted news from work, like layoff or like being, being like let go or like, just put to the side a little bit at work. I don't know, like something dealing with your finances, like some shifts coming in, if they have not already came in, dealing with your finances. Number 2, it could come by way of sickness, like the flu, like flu-like symptoms for you and or your mate / spouse and or your children. Okay, all 3, you, your mate / spouse and your children, your whole entire household is going to feel this wave. Because see, what you've been praying for, beloved, has been so vastly profound is so large that it's coming and crashing, but it's going to shake up your whole entire house and your foundation of what your whole entire house is built on. And it's not meant to destroy, it's meant to shake up the things and remove the things that's not meant to be there. Because I'm literally seeing waves crashing into places that normally waves would not land. Like, I'm seeing dry land, I'm seeing waves going over an embankment and crashing into earth. You get what I'm saying? Like, I'm seeing waves like from the ocean that's not supposed to be there, type of thing. That if you aren't ready, if your ground is not tilled, if your ground is still frozen over because we're in winter, if you're not ready, if you're caught off guard, you're not going to be able to soak up this water. It's going to flood you out. So Spirit is giving you a warning now through this 3-part message, and I'm trying to like deliver. Okay, anyway, so it could come by way of your job and your finance and or finances. It could come by way of sickness, and it could come by way of distraction of friends and or close acquaintances that used to be very close with you or that are currently close with you, but that are going to break away in the next 3 days off of something dumb. And it's going to be something that's so like, are you kidding me? Like, oh, you testing me right now? Type of energy that if you're not careful, it's going to splinter your blessings. Do not allow, like, I'm seeing like a wooden plank hit something like hard and everything, like the wood splintering in all different directions, and people and objects being hit unnecessarily. Do not allow the impact of this thing to splinter what is coming into you. It's what you have been praying for. It's what you have been praying for. Do you know what element you are? This is the time for you to go into the power of that element in meditation. I'm not talking about your zodiac sign. I'm not talking about you being a water, earth, air, fire sign. I'm saying what energy and element is your natural disposition. If you don't know, you need to go into meditation tonight and ask Spirit. Okay, you need to go into meditation tonight and ask Spirit. You need to be honing in on the power of your element. I cannot stress this up freaking enough for what is coming, beloved. They have taken me through the ringer today, like literally through the ringer. You about to birth something major. And I'm going to end the video here because it's already starting to get long. Go to part 2. I'm going to tell you what to do to prepare you and your house for what's coming. Okay? And then I'm going to do a part 3 too. As an also, because I'm hearing stuff from the ancestors, but that's separate from divine source. Okay. I will see you in the next video. Peace.